What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we will discuss, guys. This is the continuations of my presentations. If you can remember, if you seen all of my presentations, and this is the continuations from the construction to commissioning. So now we're talking about here for the RFC dosers. What is inside in this RFC dosers? So we'll give you step by step, and then you will learn and some of the informations that required in our RFC dosers. Okay, check it out. So now this is our dosers. Dosers index what is inside. First, certificates, RFC certificates, meaning you completed your RFC walk down or request for construction certificate. So meaning the construction is already completed. All right, you sign all the ITRs, checklist, check test sheets. Okay, under pre-commissioning test sheets ITR. Okay, so system identification, descriptions of drawings, punch list status, whatever punch list that you have right now. So category A already closed. What I has been mentioned in the previous video. Okay, so category A is closed and category B will be balanced as per discussion between construction and commissioning department. Okay, piping vessels check tests and test sheets also including our mechanical and electrical test sheets. So that is part of our dosers. So very simple. It's easy to understand, and you can see this during your if you are involved in the construction. So you can see all of this information. Even you are a QC engineer, QA/QC engineer, you can see these dosers. This is the requirements, all of the index that we need to capture during the submittal of our up to handover. Okay, so dosers index. What else? You have electrical check test sheets. So you have check test sheets, you have check sheets, you have test sheets. Okay, and then instrument also you have, and you have telecom, that is E and I, electrical instrument and telecom, require the check and test sheets. Okay, and any site miscellaneous reports that's good, that's to be included in your dosers. So test procedures, of course, all the test procedures. For example, we're talking about switchgear, transformer, panel, UPS, battery charger. That is including of our test reports. ECMS, all right. So drawing site red line markups. What do you mean that? Any red line from the IFC issued for construction, you need to do the red line and then stamp with the engineers signed by the company, and that is included in our dossiers. All right, it's very easy and simple, guys. All right, so dossiers, electrical t-shirts, and then that is instrumentations, telecom. It's already I mentioned. Okay, and site test procedures and drawing. So that's all the informations related that going to our handover. So in my next presentation, guys, follow through in my next video. So commissionings to operations. We are now preparing RFHO dosers. So what is inside in that particular dosers? Check it out, guys, in the next videos that I will be uploaded in the next presentations. See you until now. Bye bye.